Are you tired of paying for VPNs or trusting shady third-party apps? Learn how to activate Firefox's free built-in VPN in under 3 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable the VPN, choose your location, and exclude specific websites. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to the Firefox help page for the built-in VPN. You'll see that this feature is rolling out gradually to users in specific countries, including Australia, Canada, and many others. Then, click on the link for Help with Mozilla VPN, just to get oriented. Now, click on Turn on VPN in Firefox to begin the setup. Look for the VPN Setup prompt in the top right corner of your Firefox toolbar. If you don't see it, click the VPN icon. Note that this prompt may appear twice. If you choose No Thanks on the second one, the icon will be removed, but you can add it back later by customizing the toolbar. Go ahead and sign in or create a Mozilla account to proceed. Once signed in, use the Turn on VPN button in the VPN panel to activate the feature. You can then activate or deactivate the VPN as needed. When active, Firefox will route your web traffic through the best available server automatically. You can choose a VPN location from the list. Keep in mind that the built-in VPN is only available in selected regions. Check the common questions for the current availability list. Again, choose a VPN location from the list. More locations will be added in the coming months, so check back if you don't see your preferred one. Alternatively, you can select Recommended to let Firefox automatically choose the best location for your connection. If you need help with Mozilla VPN, click that link again. To access VPN settings, click the menu button and select Settings. You'll see another link for help with Mozilla VPN if needed. Now, add the websites you want to exclude from the VPN. These sites will bypass the VPN connection. And finally, if you ever need assistance, click the Help link for Mozilla VPN. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.